Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Amanveer Singh. I'm a Principal Solution Architect within Telco IBU at AWS. Today we're going to show you how we, and along with our partners, help CSPs unlock the potential of data using B2B2X marketplace. Investment that CSPs have done in 5G and other technologies, and the latest technology enablers which are coming up, like Gen AI or bigger and faster GPUs. In order for CSPs to maximize the value of these enablers and the investments that they have done, trend where CSPs want to move up the value chain, and they want to get into really value-added services where they offer the managed service solution instead of individual blocks of solution. Now, this is all good. However, what we are seeing is that CSPs are a little slow to adopt this change, and there's a reason for that. And the reason is that this is actually a different business model. You are dealing with a different customer base. Those are very diverse, not customer base, but partner base. Those are very diverse partners. And even the business models are very different. Those could be B2B, B2B2X, B2B2B, and all that. And because of these new partners, we are seeing that a lot of custom integrations are being built. And these custom integrations are actually raising the barrier for partners to do business with CSPs. And we don't only stop here. Even if CSPs do build these use cases, SmartX use cases or B2B2X use cases, this is not same ARPU business as typical mobility business. And unless we find out other ways of monetizing these use cases, like monetizing data that you generate from these implementations, it's tough to build a business case for that. And as a result of all that, what we see is that a massively untapped market is there, and we are leaving money on the table as CSPs. Now, how do we address this? As AWS, we have this solution, digital enablement platform solution. And what this solution does is it's actually based on TM Forum 1260 and 1262 standards, which we developed along with 30 plus companies worldwide. And this is a secure way for CSPs to expose the APIs. With those APIs could be from AWS, those APIs could be from our partners, or it can be from broader Amazon. Secure these APIs through the marketplace so that CSPs can build different type of services like B2B services, B2C services, B2B2C services for different customer segment. Now, this is the framework. Let's quickly, before we jump into the demo, let me quickly walk you through the flow of the demo. So in this demo, even though the framework is wide, we'll just pick one use case, which is a connected health use case. What you will see is, this is a demo where, we're showing that a CSP has launched a marketplace, and the multiple sellers of this CSP come onto this marketplace, and they register their product on this marketplace. And those products could be a health band or anything like that. Now, a product manager from CSP comes in, and he wants to create a business product out of this. He sees a lot of demand from connected clinics, so he wants to build this product. And this is, you will see the magic of the Nova LLM that we have recently launched, where using Nova, the product manager is actually narrowing down this whole search. Instead of going through the queue of hundreds of these products, he's giving his simple requirements in plain English, and the LLM behind the scene is helping him or her build a product. Now, it's not only that. Once the even the buy journey, you will see that it's enabled by LLM, where we help our customers to buy this product. We don't stop here. So this is one cycle that we said, and once end customer, in this case the clinic, start using this product, a lot of data gets generated. Now that data comes in the platform, and we use the same mechanism, same skywheel effect to create more products and better products. So what you'll see is, now based on that data, the product manager actually leverages our Bedrock, AWS Bedrock, to create more products for a different type of a stakeholder. For example, in this case, we have seen this is a healthcare product. Let's create a product for an insurance company, which is ML as a product for insurance company using this data that will help insurance companies optimize the premium based on the customer profile. So with that, we are done with the slideshow, and then we'll move on to the demo. This is, again, as I said, it's a partner-enabled solution along with AWS services. So I'll hand it over to Johan, who's from BeyondNow, to take you through the marketplace solution. And after that, Gaurav will take you through the data monetization solutions. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Amanveer. Now I will show you the journey of a product manager, how they use the platform, how they use LLM to generate a new product out of the SKUs that are part of the product catalog, by simply firstly logging into the platform and making sure to get an overview of all the products, using the LLM model by interacting with the prompt and talking about in a human language model to say what are the needs I want to bring forward to my customers. In the use case we talked before, it's really focusing on health services that I'm interested in. So you see the product manager just provides the information they need, they want to talk about for their end customers to consume through the marketplace. Moving a little bit forward here, once the product is generated, automatically by LLM, that's being pushed to the marketplace and finally made available for the end customers, in our case, a clinic, to be consumed. That's the next step where I, as a clinic, now swapping my role as a clinic owner, I'm logging into the marketplace and then want to browse through all the products that are available on the marketplace, again, using our large language model to interact with the marketplace and interact with all the parameters available there. I find the product and getting forward to it on the screen, as you can see here on the screen, moving through all the parameters and identify that's the product of interest for me. Moving further, I'm now just configuring the product how I want to have it available for my end customers to consume, for me to consume, again, by leveraging AI to help me make the correct configurations until I'm through and can place the order and buy that product. Once I've bought the product, I'm checking out the product, so it immediately is made available for me. I can consume the product now, and the product now generates data, which is being, again, leveraged by a large language model to generate new products and new product recommendations for additional values of my marketplace. And that's the point where I hand over to Gaurav.
Once the data product is sold to the smart clinic, so they start generating a lot of data. From the data exhaust, how we can create data products which can be monetized, which can create value. So that's a goal what we are showcasing now in the next part of the demo. So here we have selected all the products, all the data sources what has been captured. So starting from HIS system to insurance to all the device data. And now system has already put everything into a value chain. So there are a few products which system is recommending based on GenAI, which is based on Bedrock. So if you look here, now it is recommending there's a health insurance optimizer which can be created, which provides a differential health policy to different stakeholders based on how good they are when it comes to their health and wellness scores. So here we are getting into a journey of creating health insurance optimizer. So once a data product has been selected, we'll get into a journey where we are creating a data product. In this case, it's an ML product. So all the feature store will be created as part of the journey. Once a product is created, it gets pushed onto the marketplace where the product gets registered and offer get automatically created and even pricing get updated on an automated fashion. Now this product is available on the marketplace for end consumer, which is insurance in this case, to start using. Once it is available for the insurance company to start using, they can call it through an API where a meeting will happen and pricing will get updated. Or agent can call, like in this example, agent can call it through LLM-based chat interface, where a response is generated through this newly created data product. Thanks a lot.